RK65K/KS and RKDT-SAM/SAS by Secura key is a programmable standalone single-door access control system which controls access for up to 65,000 users. Units are rated for both indoor and outdoor use. In this video, it will be referred to as the reader. An RK-HHP handheld programmer is used to add or delete cards or key tags, to set the operating mode and the latch timer, and set the password. The reader is compatible with the Secura key Secure Relay, an intelligent relay module used to eliminate the possibility of break-in by an attack to the access control reader. Setting facility codes. Before any cards are added to the reader, the facility code or codes must be set. The facility code is very important. Each card has a unique number. However, if two companies have the same number, there is a high risk of access being granted to both locations. The facility code reduces this risk by using a facility code along with the unique number. When a new reader is first powered up, the LED should be flashing, alternately red and green. This indicates that the unit is in the Learn Facility Code mode. The reader can also be placed in this mode by entering the program mode and then pressing Mode, followed by 9, followed by Enter, as shown here. While the LED is flashing red-green, present one user card for each facility code being used to the reader, one at a time. Next, allow the reader to time out and return to the normal mode before proceeding. Note, an invalid facility code will beep with no LED visible. Adding a facility code. RK65K/KS. When adding a facility code, one card with each facility code is required. Adding a facility code without the previously loaded facility codes will delete all previous ones. Adding a facility code. RKDT-SAM/SAS. You can add additional facility codes easily on this reader by simply presenting the card with the new facility code without affecting previously loaded facility codes. Programming the reader. To begin, an RK-HHP handheld programmer is required to program the reader. And a single RK-HHP may be used on several readers because the readers are password protected. When the reader is first powered up, the LED will be flashing red and green. Present a card to the unit to set the facility code, and the flashing will end in approximately 10 seconds. Key tags and cards are pre-encoded and engraved at the factory with the facility, site code, and an individual card ID number. The reader can recognize up to 10 different facility codes. You must also enroll the card ID numbers that will be valid. Cards and tags are sequentially numbered, so a block of ID numbers can be validated at the same time. Remember to make and keep a record of each person who is issued a card or key tag along with the ID number of their card or tag. Programming steps. To program the reader, you must first enter the program mode. Important. You must hear a short beep for each key pressed, or the HHP is not close enough to the reader. Once in the program mode, the LED will blink amber as an indicator. To take the unit out of program mode, you may select an operating mode or simply allow 15 seconds to elapse without reading any cards or using the RK-HHP. After a proper program sequence has been completed, the unit will beep and the LED will flash green to indicate that the program instruction has been accepted. A red light and a beep at the end of a programming sequence indicate that an error was made. Refer to the appropriate section in the manual and carefully re-enter the command in the correct sequence. To enter program mode using the programmer. Enter your password and then press Enter. Note, the default password for all readers is 12345. You have the option to change the password, which is highly recommended. The LED will flash amber to show that the unit is in program mode. The unit will time out and return to active normal mode in 15 seconds if no programming follows. Changing the password. First, put the unit into the program mode if necessary, as discussed in the prior Programming Steps module. Press star, then enter the sequence of digits representing the desired new password, exactly 5 digits. Then press star again. Enter the new password again. Press enter. A green light and beep means that the password was changed. If the password is lost or forgotten, it can be restored to the factory default 12345. Just remove the unit from the wall and disconnect the power, then touch the white and brown wires and restore power. Then disconnect the white and brown wires. Adding and deleting users. To add a single card or key tag to the system. First, place the unit in the program mode, indicated by a flashing amber color. Press the plus key, followed by the sequence of digits representing the card ID number, not including the leading zeros. Then press enter. For example, to add card number 12 to the reader, the following sequence would be followed. Plus, user ID number 12, enter. Card 12 is now valid. To add a series of cards or key tags to the system. To begin, place the unit into the program mode. Press plus, followed by the sequence of digits representing the lowest card ID number, 1. Press star, followed by the sequence of digits representing the highest card ID number, 1000. Press enter. As you can see, we just added cards number 1 through number 1000, so cards numbers 1 through 1000 are now valid. To delete single cards or key tags from the system. Place the unit in the program mode. Press minus, followed by the sequence of digits representing the card ID number. Press enter. For example, to delete card number 12, the following sequence would be presented. Minus, user ID number 12, enter key. Card number 12 is now void. To delete a series of cards or key tags from the system. First, place the unit in the program mode. Press minus, followed by the sequence of digits representing the lowest card ID number 1. Press star, followed by the sequence of digits representing the highest number of cards, number 1000. Finally, press enter. For example, to delete cards number 1 through number 1000, press -1 star 1000, enter. Cards number 1 through number 1000 are now void. Enabling, disabling card types. Normally, the RKDT-SAM/S will read both radio key and HID proximity cards. To disable either card type or to re-enable both types, select the desired command. To read only Secura key radio key cards, press Mode, number 11, enter. To read only HID cards, press Mode, number 12, enter. To read both Secura key, radio key, and HID cards, press Mode, number 13, enter. Setting the latch timer. Put the unit into the program mode. Press Set Timer. Press the sequence of digits representing the desired latch time, 0 through 65,535 seconds, to the unit. Press Enter. A green light and beep means that the latch timer setting was changed. If you set the latch timer for 0 seconds, the actual latch time will be approximately 0.25 seconds. For example, to set the latch timer to 15 seconds, the following sequence would be followed as shown here. Set timer, 15, enter key. For longer latch times, it may be easier to set the timer with hour-minute notation. Press Set Timer. Press the sequence of digits representing the number of hours, 2 digits. Press the sequence of digits representing the number of minutes. Press star. Press enter. Note the maximum relay time is 18 hours and 0 minutes. For example, to set the latch timer for 2 hours and 45 minutes, the following sequence would be entered. Set timer 0, 2, 4, 5. Star, enter. Here's a helpful hint. The latch timer controls the latch relay. The factory preset latch time is 1 second, but it can be changed to any value from 0.25 seconds to 18 hours. How is that for flexibility? Operating mode. The reader may be put into the following operational modes. 1. Normal operation, open, close, the LED is off. 2. Locked state, the LED blinks red. 3. Unlocked state, the LED blinks green. Let's take a closer look. In normal operation mode, the LED is off. The reader works as expected and will open and close with a card. Locked state mode, the LED blinks red. Nobody's card will work. In unlocked state mode, the LED blinks green. The door is open and no card is needed. To set the operating mode, put the unit into the program mode. Press mode, then press either 1, 2, or 3. Press enter. The reader will then exit programming mode and enter the selected mode. For example, to set the unit to the inactive locked mode, the following sequence would be followed. Press mode, 2, enter. To exit programming mode immediately, press mode, press 1 or 2 or 3, press enter. This returns the unit to the selected mode immediately, bypassing the 15-second timeout. Timed anti-passback. Timed anti-passback is used to discourage card sharing. After one successful card use, the unit will treat that card as void for a preset time, from 1 to 99 minutes. When timed anti-passback is enabled, it will apply to all valid cards. To enable timed anti-passback, first place the unit in the program mode. Press Set Timer, plus, press Enter, as shown here. To set the anti-passback timer, place the unit in the program mode. Press Set Timer, then press Star. Press the digits representing the maximum number of minutes, 01 through 99, you want anti-passback to apply. Press Enter. Note, anti-passback can be set from 1 to 99 minutes. However, depending upon the clock cycle of the unit when a card is read, the actual anti-passback time may be as little as 1/2 the time selected. To disable timed anti-passback, RK65K. First, place the unit in the program mode. Next, press Set Timer. Press minus. Finally, press Enter. Ordering cards and key tags for the readers. The reader works with Secura key molded clamshell cards, printable standard cards, and keyring tags. Both 32-bit and 26-bit can be used. The RKDT SAM/SAS also works with standard HID 26-bit proximity key tags and cards. When ordering 32-bit format 303 cards or tags for a new project, you will be assigned a new facility code, and cards or tags will begin with ID number 1. Additional cards or tags can be ordered with the same facility code by specifying the starting number, which will be 1 digit higher than your highest existing card or tag. 26-bit cards or tags, format 201, are shipped from stock, so you may receive cards or tags with a different facility code than originally programmed into the reader. There is no choice for ID numbers. You may receive duplicates. The reader can learn up to 10 different facility codes. If it becomes necessary to mix cards or tags with more than one facility code in the same reader, or if you are combining radio key and HID cards, check that the card ID numbers are not duplicated. When learning facility codes, the RKDT SAM/SAS will distinguish between HID and S-key proximity cards. This increases security by only allowing access to the exact card type presented. If you are combining HID and radio key cards with the same facility code, you must present one of each type to the reader when entering facility codes. Remember, RK01 cards or key tags will not work for the RK65/KS or the RKDT SAM/SAS. The LED will flash amber to let you know it is the wrong type of card. This is the conclusion of this training presentation. We hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, please call a Secura Key professional at 800-891-0020. Thank you for watching and learning.